This
joke.
guy sent a fucking voice message over Snapchat where he was like, "I'm trying to take a shit," and just randomly in it, he was like,
This
just
is
started
so
talking,
real.
and then he's like,
why did Bob think that was a good idea?
but anyway, whenever Tyler's done, then we can try to get on the thing. I'm like, oh,
do we have that sound on the soundboard?
I'll record it.
You'll record it and send.
Oh god, play it
Oh my
on
God.
stream.
Oh, you want me to play it on stream?
Obviously,
Okay, hold on.
Brandon must be exposed for this.